Hi, I'm Ron Duncan with House to Home, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a knob on an electric stove. No tools are needed for this. We simply need to grab the knob and pull towards you. One of the reasons why these knobs go bad is because of the plastic inside, or the thin piece of metal will get worn out. Now sometimes it's hard to find this knob, and what you want to do is either look in your owner's manual and you will see a part number and call the manufacturer, or you can simply go to an appliance repair shop. So I have my new knob, and I'm going to line it up with the arrow to off on the stove, and I simply line it up and push it on, and now it's ready to go. This has been Ron Duncan with House to Home, and that's how you fix a knob on an electric stove.